Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to use small caps in photopea. Let's get started. Click this icon and see first of all type text. Okay. Then select to this text. Click this icon. Use small caps. Again double click small caps on. Small caps on. And use already uppercase text. Double click, select text icon and already uppercase, lowercase. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.